My name is David. Jake, what's your name? For the first time in my custom go-kart history, we have a brand new box.
That was definitely the seat.
Would you look at that? Something still with paint on it.
We're not adding engine oil. That's just a suggestion, by the way. All right, let's get into this. I'm excited. We're gonna take it to our new track, test out the capabilities of the thing, and have some fun on it.
This is a GMB 100.
That means 100 for those who are competent.
Kind of a fan of it. Kind of looks cool. I actually kind of like it.
Many of you don't know this, but all three of us used to work at a fleet store, and we used to assemble mini bikes when we were slow. So this is nothing new for us.
This is nothing new. For the people at home, though, it is quite literally one of the easiest things to ever install. You have handlebars, a wheel.
Anyway, FRP sent us this mini bike to test out, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So let's put it together.
Bro, I know I'm about to see Dave whipping this around.
Watch the microphone, Joshua.
So far, this is going together better than the Colemans we used to put together. I know if you order one of these mini bikes, you're just so excited. You cannot wait to get on the road, but you must wait.
Have you used the instruction manual?
No.
Yeah, but we also look at the stuff we build.
Dang, that is a nice screwdriver. Crikey, mate, I reckon that's a nice screwy.
Huh?
Oh, she snapped.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm good.
FRP, you might want to invest in a little bit better screwdriver.
Probably enough.
Nope.
This bike comes stock with a 3.5 horse, and it even comes with a light. Not bad. Alright, it's time to see if she rips. This thing's pretty smooth.
I'm not gonna lie, this thing is really, really smooth. Probably like not glazing, I promise. This is actually really smooth. So now with our brand new mini bike, we're going to do some durability tests and see really how well built this is.
This joyrider swerves over the yellow line right into an oncoming car.
Did you win?
He lost severely.
We're gonna do a top speed run.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back out at our testing facility, this time with our FRP mini bike. Now, it is a 3.5 horsepower motor, not really recommended for what we're about to do to it, but we're testing things today. Let's see how she does. We also got this dude on the bike in the 250 quad. You have anything to say for yourself?
300s are. Yeah.
Bruh.
So the bike actually works pretty decent here. Now I did show up on a 300. I mean, what is it? What year is it, Gary? What a 21, right? So obviously we're going from $4 grand to $500. You got no suspension.
I think it's less than that.
3 horsepower. However, However, it is actually kind of a blast. It's like a pit bike, but without suspension. So yes, you do sacrifice, a little bit of price for no suspension. However, did I just do this? Yes, I did. Was it fun? Yes. Did I have a blast? Absolutely. If you're looking for something, just to what is it? Putt around
A good neighborhood cruiser.
It is a really
That.
It's a good neighborhood cruiser. If you a pit, mini bike race or motocross race, this is literally a perfect bike. It's quiet. It's not too fast. It is perfect. What are they?
The dailies.
I guess we're rich now. We're wearing these.
Ain't gonna happen.
All right, we got Dave on the bike now. This ain't no bike. It's not a bike. We got the quad going. We gotta wait for the mini bike to recharge itself a little bit, but it's shy. We got Dave on the the quad here. We're gonna see what's going on with that. Might be a durability test happening. We don't know yet.
This thing is so heavy it does not like jumps.
It's
kinda heavy like
Hellcats of
Dave.
boats, except it's not fast. It's just slow.
It's $50.
It's slow and heavy. Most of the time we don't like slow, heavy things.
Allegedly.
You almost died on that far jump.
Dude, this thing whips.
I am not a quad guy. This is goofy. First it's a dirt bike with this full suspension, then a mini bike, now a quad with crappy suspension and terrible throttle response. Look at this. It is so bad. The mini bike's going again. Yeah!
Oh, he's whipping.
Oh man, he's moving. Ooh.
That's a broken back.
That's actually kind of fun. All right, let me try. So we just flooded this thing, but she's ripping again. This thing is so light, you can pick it up like a BMX bike when you're hitting jumps. Practically do a backflip. I mean, not really.
We're gonna get the two bikes going, see what the real difference is.
Go! Nice takeoff, guys. Bro!
I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is what we're working with track-wise. So for that little mini bike to be doing pretty good with no suspension is kind of outstanding. You're getting smoked out there!
I know, not easy.
This guy's moving!
I mean, it's kind of cool. This thing's like 4 times the price of that thing.
But he's hanging with you.
They can rip the same track.
Having fun?
When you get fat people doing this, this is a workout. This thing, if you're not going fast enough on a jump and you can't get air, just pull up and it will jump. It's so weird, but it's like oddly fun.
Good deal.
Good deal, you didn't buy it.
Maybe I did.
If you want to buy this mini bike and save some money, check out our link. We've got a code. Save you some money and pick yourself up an FRP.